You know, there are all different types of illusions in magic. What you just saw was a close-up trick, where the magic is done with the hands. Grand illusions use the entire body of one or more people. That's what this is. It's a very special little box. You can see above it, you can see below it. I'm going to spin it around so you can see all sides. Very tiny. Hey, Kelly?
No. No way.
Can you come out for a second?
No.
We're going to lift up the box so you can see underneath. Okay?
Go back. Go back.
Got it? Can you see under there? Nothing under there, right?
No.
Good. That's for the people in the back. I know you guys in the front can see really well, but people in the back, maybe your heads might be obstructing them. You know, this box is very special. I'm going to show you why in just a second. But you know, if you're looking at the box, you can see the front of the box. If I turn the box this way, you can see the front and a little bit of the left side. If I turn the box this way, you can see the front and a little bit of the right side. But you can't see all sides of the box at all times. But with what I've got back here, you can. This is a mirror. And by looking in this mirror, you'll be able to see the back side of the box at all times. All you got to do is watch the box. Watch the mirror. Watch Kelly.
Colors and promise
Love Kelly. When we travel, it's really great because she fits in all the overhead storage compartments.